Canyon Falls Roadside Park is located along US 41 near Alberta, about 15 miles south of Lawrence. The trailhead is located in a recently renovated MDOT roadside park. The trail to the falls is about 1 mile over level terrain. Canyon Falls Trail was first developed in the years following the acquisition of the Ford Forest, approximately 1,700 acres plus Alberta Village, from the Ford Motor Company in 1956. It is likely that the trail along the river has existed since the area was first inhabited by Native Americans. The modern evolution of the Canyon Falls trails includes the construction of the boardwalks and benches, which were built in the late 1980s and early 1990s. Over the last 20 years, the trail has been maintained by volunteers from the Peter Wolf chapter of the North Country Trail, students from Michigan Tech, and others. Canyon Falls is listed as a top 10 waterfall for visitors to Baraga County, as it is a beautiful box canyon with impressive exposed geological features. There are several levels of falls that start below the confluence with Baco Creek. The first recognizable smaller falls is known as Baco Falls. Canyon Falls and the associated area has been called the Grand Canyon of Michigan. The trailhead starts in the parking lot by the map kiosk and is an easy hike, but is not currently set up for universal access. It is approximately a 10-minute hike along the North Country and Copper Falls trails to get to the falls. When you get to the falls, ancient trees grow out of the stone cliffs. Rainbows project across the rushing water of the falls in the sunshine. Downstream, the rock cliffs rise where the river has cut through them for thousands of years. The mist from the falls keeps the rocks damp and colorful. Springs flow from the cliffs, feeding the river that runs below. There are few places like Canyon Falls. Most will find the trail fairly easy, young and old. To truly round out a visit here, make sure to pack a picnic. Tables at the park are nicely placed under large old-growth shade trees. In true multi-use fashion, there is also a nearby motorized trail, Michigan Snowmobile Trail 8, that also supports limited ATV traffic. Researchers from MTU have installed a new wooden bridge on Trail 8, various Forest Road water quality management structures, and a forest management study in the adjacent forest just outside the Canyon Falls Reserve area. A one-of-a-kind place, Canyon Falls is definitely worth a stop if you find yourself in Baraga County.